So coming out of the bedroom, we have the bathroom to the left, the dining room to the front, and there's another room here to the right. And this looks like it used to have a wood stove in it. And it's paneling. And the floors are rolling. Old wood stove right there. Washer dryer. So they kind of built that just to block it off a little bit. They've got to level it because the floors aren't level. There's your electrical panel. At least it's not knob and tube. That's good. Your water heater's in here. I don't know if you can see it, but the floors are not level. Not one bit.